Tired of keeping your crypto in one place? Let's move some from Binance to your Coinbase wallet. First, open your Coinbase Wallet app. This is crucial. Ensure you're using the actual Coinbase Wallet app, not the Coinbase Exchange app. They are different. Tap the Receive button. This tells Coinbase Wallet you're ready to accept cryptocurrency. Now, select the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, if you're moving Bitcoin, select Bitcoin. A QR code and a long string of characters will appear. This is your unique receiving address. Copy this address carefully. Double check it. Next, head over to your Binance account, log in, and navigate to your wallet or withdrawal section. Find the withdrawal option. This is where you initiate sending crypto out of Binance. Paste the Coinbase wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient address field. Select the correct cryptocurrency and the network that matches Coinbase Wallet. Make sure that it is the correct network. Using the wrong network will result in permanent loss of funds. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees Binance might charge. Binance will likely require security verification. Complete these steps using your 2FA or other methods you've set up. Confirm the transaction. Binance will process your withdrawal. Back in your Coinbase wallet, you should see the transaction as pending. It may take some time to confirm, depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Once confirmed, your funds will appear in your Coinbase wallet. Always double-check addresses and stay vigilant against scams. Now you have successfully transferred crypto from Binance to Coinbase Wallet.